Yo, I think I need a haircut. This is unboxing with a cat. Version 2. Oh, look at this little baby. Ooh. Sheba. Okay, I've got the beat up box from China. I have a feeling I might know what it is, but I'm not entirely sure. I need to be able to film, Sheba. God. Stop. I can't get an ounce of peace in this house. Can I just open it? Shit. I think that this might be a haptic coin from this dude on Facebook. Can you move? Okay. Sheba, oh my God, you're sniffing Chinese air. God. It's been a minute since I unboxed something. I seriously don't know what the fuck this is. All right. What could it be? I thought it was a haptic coin. Shit. Oh, it says haptic coin. Oh yeah, it is. It is exactly what I wanted. Yes. Oh, it's heavy. So this haptic coin is called the black hole. I jokingly talk to the other fidget pass around group people and call it the butthole haptic coin. But he makes these in all different colors. I mean materials. This thing was actually relatively cheap. $50 including shipping. And it comes with this sweet, look at that, it's like a little calling card. Man, it's pretty nice. And some stickers. Black cat, black hole. Still looks like a butthole. But yeah, I opted for the copper in the antique finish. So supposedly this is loud. Sheba. Okay. But he's got all kinds of materials. Oh, he's even got like superconductor. Man, this thing is heavy. Does it not look like a butthole? He's even got ones that are like pink. No. All right, should we do it? Oh, it's a pretty good size. Here's a mini milk lid. What other size comparison can I do? I've got the shuffle. He's big. Okay. Oh yeah, that's a real nice. Feels good in the hand too. You see it? All right, should we open it up? Ooh, it's got a little bearing in there. And then a thrust bearing as well. Ooh, God, it's all rusted and shit. Look at that. He must have done that color on top of, while it was like, had all the shit in it. What the fuck? Check it out. It's probably not rust. It's probably the coating? I don't know. But I could have gotten just regular copper. But I decided I wanted to be fancy like. Oh shit, you can't even see my beautiful face. I want it to be fancy like. But yeah, he's got all kinds of stuff. But I'm gonna send you a link or something. I don't even know. I'll send you his info. I'd say it's as similar to the donut, but way easier to use. Let me grab the donut real quick. Okay, here's the donut. That's pretty close. But the donut is, I mean, it's very satisfying, but it's kind of harder. And also I have it in the polish finish, which doesn't help. Usually the sound on these haptics doesn't really come through too well. Oh, this is nice. I love that weight of it. It feels so good in your hand. Almost got like a worry coin kind of feel. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, now here's the moment of truth. Let's see if Sheba approves. Sheba, do you like it? She likes it. Oh, Sheba. She's got good taste. Oh, this is my emotional support cat. She also, like, bitches about me sometimes. Oh, look at that babe. All right, so yeah, this was $50, and that includes shipping from China. So I'm going to find the dude's information and try to find like the photo of all the different price lists and stuff and all the different options you can get. I mean, you can get superconductor in this bad boy, but dude, it's heavy. Okay, you see? My dog's barking. All right, well, I would recommend. Oh shit, this dude made this April 1st of last year. Crazy. That thing. All right, well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and have a great night.